Looking to add a touch of green to your home decor? Adding indoor plants to your home has multiple benefits. They purify the air and embellish our homes by simply adding an aesthetic value of space. However, it's important to pick the right kind of plants, ones that can thrive indoors and grow well with a basic care and watering. Here are the list of low maintenance indoor plants that you can choose from. The first one being snake plant. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this ornamental plant also works as an excellent air purifier. An easy to maintain indoor plant that thrives in low light. It absorbs toxins and chemicals from the air and converts carbon dioxide into oxygen. Second one is lucky bamboo plant. This essential feng shui plant makes a regular appearance in many homes. Ideally placed by a window for indirect sunlight, the lucky bamboo can grow in both near water and in soil. With some efficient pruning, this plant can also be shaped into a variety of organic forms for decorative purposes. Money plant. This is also one of the most popularly grown indoor plants. Money plant improves air quality in homes and, according to feng shui principles, creates a harmonious environment and brings in prosperity. This can be easily grown in both soil and water. Aloe vera plant is yet another low maintenance succulent plant that caters to health, beauty and your home decor all at once. Known exactly for its various uses, the plant is also fondly called as miracle plant. This ornament plant needs to be kept near a sunny window where it can get enough sunlight. The last plant for today is peace lily. Apart from being aesthetically appealing, peace lily enhances indoor air quality. These plants require little or no sunlight and can be easily cultivated. Adapted to low levels of watering, the hooded flowers are quite striking and beautiful.
Hope this simple video inspires you to grow more indoor plants at home. Happy gardening!